Hi guys, this is another video at the workbench. I have a Shimano ST-M060 brake shifter level which needs a level servicing. These old shifter levels all have the same problem. The old grease which was used by the assembling in the factory becoming hard with the ages and block the moving parts. If you have the same shifter level on your bike, I help you how to maintain it. First, how do you know which Shimano shifter lever you got? It is not so obvious that you think. It is stamped into the metal, the underside the brake lever, but it is very hard to read. In this video we are servicing the right shifter lever, which has 7 speed. The left shifter lever will be the theme for another video. This lever is not working properly. It is not so smooth what it should be. In this case I have two options. Option 1. I can wash away the old grease with WD-40. In this case I don't need to disassemble the whole mechanism. If you are not good at in fine mechanics, I recommend this solution for you. And option 2, which I choose in this video, I will disassemble the shifter, I re-grease it and I assemble it again. The disassembly is not so interesting, so I speeded up a video a bit. The bike what belongs this shifter lever is more than 30 years old, so there is lot of gunk inside. So we are done with the disassembly. The parts are in good condition. I cleaned them with care. So now we have a shifter shaped puzzle. Can I solve this puzzle? I hope so. It's a good idea to fix the lever during the assembly. I drilled a hole in a wooden plate and I screwed on the axle, because during the work I must tension against various springs in the mechanism, and I have only 2 hands. You will see what I mean. I'm not mentioned so far that this lever belongs to a bike which is in my restoration project. In this project I restore a Schwinn 30 PDG mountain bike which was properly ridden in the last 30 years by me. So this bike is very close to my heart. Is it working properly? Nope, I forgot something. I forgot to tension that spring here. Just a minute. Now working properly. If you liked my bike related video, feel free to you know what. Thank you for watching.